Students, in this session I will explain you sum number 1 and 2 of question number 2 of exercise 14.2. Now, all the questions of question number 2 will be solved by the identity, that is identity number 3, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1 so that I can show you how to use the identity. It is given 4p square minus 9q square. Now to solve this, we have to use this formula, that is a square minus b square. The question is given in this format. You have to change it in a plus b and a minus b format. So the question will be given in this form. You have to change it in this form. Okay, now how to change it? This is what you have to learn. Now you carefully observe this. If you carefully observe these two terms given in the question, only p is in square form but 4 is not in the square form. So to make these two terms which is included in the first term, to make it a whole square, what we have to do? 2p whole square. Okay, so what I have done is now I have converted the first term into the whole square formation. That is 2p into 2p is what? 2p into 2p is what? 2 2s are 4 and p into p is what? 4 square. See, it is coming, isn't it? So I have converted this whole form into the whole square form. Now the same thing I would be doing with this also. 9q square, that is 3q whole square. Okay, that is 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. Understood? Now this part will be considered as a and this part will be considered as b. So it is a square minus b square. So what exactly, in which format I have to write? A plus b, a minus b. So a is what? 2p. A plus b. B is what? 3q. I hope you are understanding. Now what is the second part? A minus b. That is 2p minus 3q. So this is your solution for the first sum. It is very easy. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Sum number 2 is 63a square minus 112b square. Now again you have to go for which identity? A square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Now this is a very special question. As you see, there is no such number, that is when you multiply 2 times you will get 63. There is no such number. See, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64 but not 63, and 9 9s are 81. So there is no such number, isn't it? So 9 9s are 81, 8 is 64. So when you are multiplying 8 is here, what we are getting as a product as 64. So it is more than 63, isn't it? So, and even there is no such number when you multiply 2 times, you will get 112. When you see that this type of thing is happening, then you have to take a common, students. Okay, so this 2 numbers is divisible by 3. Okay, now how to know that whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? Now, what is the number given? 6 and 3, isn't it? Now, add this 2 digit. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. So, 9 is divisible by 3. So, this number is divisible by 3. The same thing we will do with this. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4. 4 is not divisible by 3. So, I guess this number is not divisible by 3. But this number is divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 3. So, we cannot take 3 as a common. So, we have to go for something else. So, in this case 4, this number is not divisible by 4, 5 also not divisible, 6 also not divisible. Let us check out whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. 63 is definitely divisible by 7. 7 9 is 63. Now if I ask that whether 112 is divisible by 7, so we have to check this, isn't it? So 16 into 7 if I do, 6 7s are 42, 7 1 the 7 plus 4 is 112. See, it is divisible. So this number 63 is also divisible by 7 and 112 is also divisible by 7. So what we'll do is we'll take 7 as a common. Fine. So when you are taking 7 as a common, so divide this 63a square with 7. So when I'm dividing 63 by 7, what is the answer I'm getting? 9. So inside the bracket we'll get 9a square. Similarly, when I divide 112 with 7, I will get answer as 16b square. Now these are the numbers we can convert into whole square formation, isn't it? So let's do it. Let's make some space. Now I will write this again here. So let's write this again. 7, so 7 9a square minus 16b square, isn't it? Now I can convert this into the whole square formation. That is, in place of 9 we can write 3a whole square, isn't it? In place of 16 we can write 4b whole square. Okay, now we can use identity, that is a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square, students? What is a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. So 3a will be considered as a and 4b will be considered as b. So a plus b means what? A plus b. Okay, and what is a minus b? 3a minus 4b. So this is the solution of sum number 2. Okay, so for this session you only have to do two sum, that is sum number 1 and 2 of question number 2. Okay, thank you very much, take care and God bless you all.